Hello knitting friends, and welcome back to Knit the Stitch. Today I have this diagonal rib pattern for you, and this is how it looks on the back. This diagonal design is knit over an easy 2-row pattern repeat. This is my cast on edge here. I've started with a couple of rows of garter stitch and it's worked in this direction. You could easily add some more stitches to the sides to make a long scarf or a wrap. You could really make use of the diagonal effect. If you're ready, grab your needles and some yarn and let's get on with the knitting. The pattern is knit on multiples of 3 stitches plus 2 extra stitches. I've cast on 14 stitches here, which is 4 times 3, 12, and 2 extra stitches giving 14. And I've gone ahead and I've knit 8 rows, which is 4 repeats of the 2-row pattern already. And I'm about to start again with row 1. Row 1 with the right side facing. Knit the first 2 stitches. 1 and 2, and then we have the pattern repeat. So yarn over, knit the next 2 stitches together and knit 1, and that's the repeat. So I'll do that again. Yarn over, knit 2 together, knit 1. Again, yarn over, taking it to the back, knit 2 together and knit 1. And the final time on this row, yarn over, knit 2 together and knit the last stitch. Turning the work ready to purl the next row. So row 2 with the wrong side facing, purl all the stitches. I always put the pattern instructions down in the description box below, so take a look there and please subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my other videos. So I'm just purling across these stitches now, and I'm turning the work in a minute, ready to start row 1 again. And purling the last stitch, turning the work, and if you're following along, it's knit the first 2 and then the pattern repeat starts again. The pattern repeat appears between the asterisks in the written pattern, so it's yarn over, knit 2 together, knit 1. So that's yarn over, knit 2 together and knit 1. Yarn over, knit the next 2 stitches together so they become 1 stitch and knit 1. All the way to the end, yarn over, knit 2 together and knit the final stitch. And the second row of the pattern repeat is the purl row, so I'll go ahead and purl all these stitches. And that's really all there is to the diagonal rib stitch. I hope you found this useful. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, enjoy knitting all your stitches.